don't know. Let's see this.
They're just non-stop coming.
For reals. They start off small, and these birds are bigger.
Never in my life. As long as I've lived, I have never seen so many damn birds in my life.
Is it easing up over there?
No. They're just steady coming. It's like it's raining freaking birds.
It's like they all migrated this way.
What the crap? Our planet's being taken by blackbirds. Look. This is crazy. Where are they coming from?
I don't know. One just
never seen
that bird ended up hitting the other one.
And they're all black. That's the bad thing.
Oh my god.
Right.
Ooh, they're getting louder. The one just shit on the house. Oh god, I hope they don't poop on us.
Keep your mouth shut. Oh, there went some. Look at this.
I think that's it now.
It's unbelievable. I've never in my life, ever in my...
Oh my god, it's not.
Oh my gosh. Really?
Oh my god.
Really? Cameron, really? Oh my god. What the hell?
Oh my god. And they're all in those trees.
Right.
And the trees outside of the road. Look, these are their feathers falling off. Little tiny feathers.
Where are they coming from? It's like somebody opened a building and just...
Let them all free, like the zoo.
Right.
I'm shaking, it's cold out here.
Look.
I see it.
Oh my god.
It's 3 minutes already.
Flying away out of them trees. This is crazy.
Oh my god.
This is crazy.
There's way over 500 birds in there.
Man, we done had probably 5,000. Is that all?
It looks like it.
Really?
They're all in those trees.
My God.
All of them. Oh yeah, that's all of them. Oh shit, they're all over there.